My fellow American patriots, what has happened today is intolerable. On a party line vote, the U.S. House of Representatives has passed health care legislation that is bitterly opposed by a clear majority of the American people. Motivated by ideology and full of political corruption, it was rammed through Congress at the last moment in disregard for the rule of law. Never before on something of such magnitude has a majority of the Congress so ignored the clear will of the American people. In 1774, in response to the first Tea Party, the British Parliament issued a series of acts designed to control the colonists, our ancestors, to stop their protests and to restrict their liberty. The Americans called these the Intolerable Acts. And my fellow citizens, the acts we have just witnessed are today's intolerable acts. I am here to tell our supporters, the conservative movement, and the American people that the Heritage Foundation will do all within its power to recommend and to make the intellectual case for the repeal of these intolerable acts. We will bring all our resources to bear on behalf of those who believe that America is and always will remain the land of the free. While the Heritage Foundation recognizes that our health care system requires reform, such reform cannot proceed until this intolerable act is consigned to the dustbin of history. To that goal we are dedicated. We encourage states and we encourage all of our fellow citizens who are harmed by this legislation to challenge its constitutionality in the courts. But let me be clear. What has happened in substance and in process must not stand. It violates our Constitution, our first principles, our basic rights, and the very rule of law. And with you, the American people, we will see that it does not stand. Please join us at heritage.org.